What's going on, everybody? Product Probes, quick reviews, back at you with another knife review. And today we're doing the TF434 by TAC Force. Now this is a super popular knife on Amazon. It's got your little, let me see if I can get a close up right here. But you got your glass breaker right there, your window breaker rather, your seat belt cutter. Aluminum handle. If it looks a little beat up, I actually carried this thing for about 2 weeks. It is a larger knife. And then right here you have a nice belt clip. Boom. Simple belt clip right there. Got your trigger and your dual thumb studs. So let's try the thumb studs out first. Guys, this thing, it slides open really nice. This is a simple EDC, standard drop point blade. Large belly on it right there. Got your standard liner lock. Single hand close right there is not bad. Now, trigger, let's check it out. Bam! Just as fast, guys. This thing is nice. You know, if you're looking for a cheaper everyday carry, this might be the way to go. I know this is a super popular knife, but right here, single hand close. Ooh, the spring is actually pretty strong, so single hand deployment, single hand close. There we go. A little bit better that time. But guys, just a quick review on the 434, TF434. So if you want to see a more in-depth review on how it looks in the pocket and the sharpness and things like that, be sure to go check us out at Product Probes, which is our other channel. But guys, hope that helped if you're thinking about getting it. Did that lock? Yeah, okay. I'm still trying to get better at these thumb stud pullouts. I used to always be about that trigger. But anyway, hope the review helped, guys, and I will see y'all in the next one.